Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss our any single video.
Networks connect devices. You could call devices on the network nodes. Nodes may include devices that help control the traffic flowing through a network, like switches and routers. Nodes also include endpoints or hosts. These are devices that send and receive the bulk of the traffic. This includes workstations, servers, printers, and so on. Networks come in different sizes. A network at home is an example of a small network. These networks usually only have a few nodes. This is called a SOHO network. SOHO means Small Office Home Office. These networks typically have a couple of computers, a printer, a few phones and tablets. Some devices will be wireless, and some are connected to a switch. This might be a good time to mention that people often say hub when they mean switch. You can see why, of course, as the switch looks like a central hub in a SOHO network. But please keep in mind that switches and hubs are very different things. Hubs are really old technology that you generally don't see anymore outside of a museum, while switches are modern and commonly used. They look very similar, so it's easy to mix them up. Have a look at the model number to see if it gives you any clues about what the device really is. In a SOHO network, a router is used to connect to the internet. You might find that the router, switch, and access point are all integrated into one device. While a SOHO network will only have a few devices, a corporation, for example a bank, will have many devices. This is called an enterprise network. The enterprise network may cover several floors in a building. They may also have several office buildings in different cities or even across different countries. An internet provider has a very large network. This is called a service provider network. Not only do they provide internet access, they also offer services to connect their customers together. Consider the bank with offices all around the country. The service provider uses part of their network to join these offices together. When devices are collected into a local area, we call this a local area network, or LAN. The LAN may be a small network. In a SOHO network, the LAN is the switch with a handful of devices connected. Or the LAN may be part of a bigger network, like an enterprise network. This network may have many switches, routers, and access points, depending on their needs. Think of the bank from before. They have an office with several floors. You could consider the whole building as a LAN. Or, more likely, the network is broken up into smaller parts. Perhaps there is a separate network on each floor. Each of these could also be called a LAN. These separate LANs may be connected together, but we'll talk more about that later. But a bank's network is going to be larger than just one building. Banks have offices all over the country and all over the world. Even though they are far apart, these networks can be joined together. This is called a WAN, or Wide Area Network. Imagine for a moment that you work for a company with an office in Sydney and an office in Melbourne. You could contact a service provider and they can connect these offices for you. WANs are a topic all of their own, so we'll cover them in detail in a later video. Let's take a moment for a quick summary. All networks are different, and this includes their size. A SOHO network is very small, while an enterprise network may be very large. Of course, your network could fit in anywhere in between. A LAN, or local area network, is a collection of network devices in a local area, like a single building. A WAN, or Wide Area Network, connects networks that are far apart.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.